So guys, here's part 2, and we have to finish the roof. So we'll get started without pausing. And it's really simple. I think you guys know how to build this, like in houses. So it's kind of lagging. This happens all the time. So let me move this down there. So we're almost got the like scene. All we need is the word subway. Wait, I'm supposed to go way, then sub. Let me see if I got those correct. Not this one. No, there it is. Now we place random things. Okay. Now we almost got the same. It might take a lot of times. You can make your doors here or here. For mine, I only did a door over there, not this one. Put windows. It looks much better. And we're on to the doors. Doors from 5 blocks away. So I'll grab a iron door. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. There. 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 And there. And they're all on 5 blocks. I'll start this end. Okay. Let's see if there's nothing interrupting. No glowstone. Far from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Oopsie. I'm not good at this, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're on it. 8 at the end. And we're almost finished. All we need is redstone. I really don't get it, so yeah. And this, we need cobblestone. Makes more sense because I don't know. So let's place there and there. This is like a repeater. If you guys don't know what this is, it's a kind of repeater. An easy way because my brother did it and it was fun. It's actually for something is let me see. Like a stone repeaters, I think I call it. And it's really easy to be controlled. And correct. Okay, yep. Fill that way up. And I'll activate the doors. To get in, just break a hole. That's for my easy way. And to be sure, I did this before, so it activates. Unlocks. So guys, I'll finish with the grounds in a second. So guys, we're almost finished, so Wait, guys. Okay, much better. So we just have to finish this one. And there's the rain. We'll do it with the rain because I don't know why. Because it's just a rain. Oopsie. Get up close. Okay. This is just how much I had to do it. And to be sure, I'll be opening the door. And let's look and look in here. This is what it looks like. So it's actually far away from 2 blocks. 2 block it is. And it's new. For sure, you can tell by from 2 blocks away here. And I just covered the hole. Big iron door here. Okay. Place that. 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 And that. Wait, did I got it right? No. It's supposed to be like this. Yep, there it is. Now 3, 2, and 1. For the rest, it's iron bars where people hang on. I'll make it this way because the other one doesn't have it. Also goes for this one, the other one I didn't made it, so yeah. Now we need quartz because it's like the almond color. And we just have to place it on each one. Okay, there. I'll do just one extra tiny bit right there. And we're almost done, so we need only 2 glowstone. And finally a torch. Be also laid up. And just measure after close what they were. Now I need to make the windows out of glass pane. And it just looks normal. Always a whoa, that's crazy. So I really have to place it on the bottom because wait, this nope. I got my own block. This, there's no way I'm doing that. So this has to be 3. And I'll place back that dirt. So wait, not stone. Grass. There. Perfect. This could do 3 because I didn't make for the other one. This we can do something like this with glass that I did, and it's actually fun. A good idea. And then I'll grab poppy in a pot. I'll place one in there. and there, and there, and there, and there's a sorry. We went into the driving. We're still in the area. This is our final chord stairs. Place it there. You could do it like this because the other one I didn't did it, so I'll go for okay, there's two kind of like moving sideways, moving back and forth. And that button. And it's done. And both. And they're all powered. Okay. So let me see. It's really a button. So I'll be using. And it's got a dunce. Didn't put it on, so it'll look much better. Oh, dang it. Go. And I got to do the whole thing made. What was it? Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay. We're done the piece. Oh, brown button. Let me see if there's anything to add. This is what my other one looks like. It's really not that bad. So yeah. So guys, this seems like the whole video that I made. And this is also the rails. Yeah, I know. And I'm making that because it's perfect. If you guys have any suggestion about making more creations or celebrating what it looks like, just send me a pictures or in the comment below. So this is what the materials you need to build this whole thing to be activated. So guys, this is it and goodbye.